Look at this little guy. Look at this little raptor. Look at this little raptor. Isn't he something else? 2 weeks old, 14 days old. 14 days ago, about this time that I realized that this guy had hatched out of his egg. Look at that little baby. Is he calming down there? Oh. What? He's staying and reacting to things. He may get scared of my hand. Or sometimes he like he's running to me. Yep, I think he's working at his coordination and his footwork these days. Look at those wing feathers go. Look at them go. Little Mohawk man. Little Mohawk man. Look at little Mohawk man. Mohawk man, what are you doing, Mohawk man? He's got his mohawk up. He says, I don't trust this. I don't trust this. Little Mohawk man. Little Mohawk man, what are you doing? Little Mohawk man.